Welcome, everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you how to view local media directly in your web browser. Using the Local Media Viewer Chrome extension, you can enjoy your photos and videos without ever having to leave your browser for a separate media player. The daily hassle. Think about your usual workflow. You're browsing the web, searching for information, and suddenly you want to check a local photo. Typically, you have to break your flow and switch apps to a media browser. It's a small but constant hassle that interrupts your productivity. Enter Local Media Viewer. That's where Local Media Viewer comes in. It offers a seamless experience with 3 core features: folder tree navigation to browse files in a new tab, smart image viewing for manual or automated browsing, and a video and subtitles player that handles local files natively. Let's get installed. Installation is easy and takes just 3 steps. First, go to your Chrome extensions and toggle Developer Mode to On. Second, click Load Unpacked. Finally, select the folder where the extension is saved on your computer, and you're all set. Set up your defaults. Now let's configure your options. You can choose a default folder, like your local NAS, so the tree appears automatically when you launch the extension. You can also toggle the display settings to choose whether to show or hide file names when viewing images. Customize your slideshow. You have full control over your slideshow experience. Set your preferred display interval in seconds and choose your playback order: ascending, descending, or random. Don't forget to hit the Save button to lock in your preferences. Ready, set, launch. Launching the viewer is instant. You can set a custom keyboard shortcut, such as Control+L on Mac or Alt+L on Windows. The first time you use it, the browser will ask for permission to access local media. Just click Allow. You can also use the Choose Folder button to switch directories anytime. Your new workspace. Here is your new workspace. On the left, the folder tree lets you effortlessly navigate your hard drive or NAS. At the top, you'll find action buttons to change folders or start a slideshow. Navigation is made easy with dedicated controls at the bottom right. Browse images manually. To browse images manually, simply pick any file from the folder tree on the left to display it instantly. From there, use the neat arrow buttons in the bottom right corner to flip through your gallery sequentially at your own pace. Starting and stopping a slideshow. For an automated experience, select your starting image from the tree and click the slideshow button at the top. The viewer will cycle through your photos based on your settings. To finish, just click the Stop Slideshow button to return to manual browsing. Movie time. It's movie time. Click any video file in the tree for instant playback in your browser tab. If an SRT file with the same name as the video file exists in the same folder, the subtitles will be loaded automatically. You can easily toggle captions on or off using the CC button within the player. Everything in one place. In summary, Local Media Viewer transforms your web browser into the ultimate media hub. No more app switching or disjointed workflows, just seamless, beautiful access to all your local photos and videos without ever leaving your browser tab.